I would recommend the Interplay training to other multifamily companies. The number one reason I would recommend it is because there is a shortage of well-rounded maintenance personnel out there in the field. Most of your well-rounded guys are well paid and they're comfortable with where they are, and companies recognize that and they make sure that they retain the best of the talent in our field. So what most multifamily companies are seeing now is people coming from outside of the industry looking to get in, and then they may have a little bit of electrical and a little bit of appliance, but what a lot of times multifamily, what we require is that they be able to adapt to all trades. And that in itself is a challenge, especially for this newer generation. So what SkillMill or Interplay does, it allows us to now be able to train guys who are coming in entry level to the industry to now be able to train to be that well-rounded maintenance employee that companies greatly need. And it is just a really great tool to have to fit the times that we're in. So I just really highly recommend that companies adopt this program because it will definitely take their maintenance performance to the next level.